it's not safe to even go outside. Oh, oh. I'm losing my mind, staying at home. Those people in the park aren't far enough apart. Oh, 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 oh. Vitamin D deficiency. Oh, oh. If I could find a place where it was safe, I'd run away. But there's no way for any of us to escape. I'm waiting for this stay-at-home order to come down. Work's too weird to even care at all. Oh, oh. Try to keep control, but instead I panic scroll. Oh, oh, oh. Co-workers on my screen are looking at me. Oh, 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 oh. I nod and stare so they think I care. Oh, oh. If I could find a way to pay some heed to what they say, then maybe I could work from home always. And so I block out the needs of all my family, put work on mute for homeschooling. I'm waiting for the next session of e-learning to come down, hands too dry to even care at all. Oh, oh. The cracks hurt the worst when I wash with booze and aloe. Oh, oh. If I could find a way to hang out with my friends, I'd stay with them till we're all safe to go out and play. Instead I do things alone, like call them on the phone, play new games, stream videos. I'm waiting for technology to stop buffering. I feel fine, but just in case. Whoa, one more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa.